As an author, how often have you wondered if the files you just submitted to the publisher's portal are acceptable? With PageMajik, you don't need to cross your fingers hoping that it would all be fine. In this video, we show you how to use the auto-fix feature in PageMajik's journal submission module whenever your files fail the specifications check. In this screen, you see the uploaded manuscript and image files. Some files have a green box around the thumbnail, while others have a red box. Now let's see why. This image does not conform to the resolution and dimension spec. You have two options. 1. Re-upload a new file and hope that it passes the quality check. Or, use the auto-fix button here to allow PageMajik to fix the file. Simply click here and the system takes over. You get a clean version that passes the test in a matter of seconds. You can go ahead and use auto-fix on the remaining images and then complete your submission.